Today, we're going to learn how to find equivalent ratios for the fraction 5/8. An equivalent ratio is created by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero whole number. Before we start, remember that multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number does not change the value of the fraction. It simply creates an equivalent fraction. Let's see this concept in practice with some examples. Let's start with the first example. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator of 5/8 by 2. 5 times 2 is 10, and 8 times 2 is 16. In our next example, we multiply both by 3. 5 times 3 is 15, and 8 times 3 is 24. In this example, we multiply both terms by 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and 8 times 4 is 32. Finally, we multiply by 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and 8 times 5 is 40. All these fractions, namely 10/16, 15/24, 20/32, and 25/40, are equivalent to our original fraction 5/8. This shows how we can generate different equivalent ratios which have the same value.